Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback. Gorgeous car, guys. Factory red car. I actually sold this car a couple years ago to a local lady who's had it for, like I say, I think about 2 years. But I originally bought this car on the west side of Michigan, a guy who's owned it since 1994. It's about a 10-year-old body-up restoration, very nicely done. Again, factory red car, BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. With those are actually 15-inch style wheels. Power steering, disc brakes. This is actually a Fastback 2+2 with the fold-down rear seat. Pretty car. 289 automatic. And like I say, the gentleman that I got it from, he had it, he had it since 1994, so he had it quite some time. Paint's nice. There's a few little things you can nitpick. I've ordered a new antenna for it. It was just kind of bent up, so we ordered a new one for it. Pretty paint. I love the red on red. And I saw some little light scratching in the back window there. Sorry guys, it's just little watermarks, little stone peck there. Car's nice and straight down the side, sits good. Again, those are the 15-inch style wheels. Front disc brakes. $289. Stock intake, exhaust manifolds, power steering. Does have power front disc brakes. It's automatic trans. VIN number still on there, your inner fender. Good looking car. Original door tag. I like the red on red. One of my favorite color combinations. Bucket seats, console. Again, it's got the fold down rear seat in the back. They've added the shoulder harnesses. Of course, those weren't factory in '65. $30,379. I'm sure that's $130, guys. Of course, it was restored about 10 years ago. She put a couple thousand miles on it. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a stock rear end. I think it's like a 300 gear. It's got the spare. Pull this up without pulling the lights out. Got it up in the air, took some good pictures of the underside for you. are nice. The chrome's nice. Works. It's got some aftermarket gauges there. I think the voltmeter is actually still on the dash because I saw it come on. Put an aftermarket AM/FM radio in it. It's got the kick speakers and the kick pads. Again, blower motor works, radio works. It works. There you go. Just gotta get a station. Come on. It's just like, oh, the antenna's off of it. The antenna's off of it. I forgot about that. So I know it was on. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Well, that is a good looking car. Have a great day, guys.